One of the greatest challenges working on a virtual team is the fact that it's virtual, which means it's a lot more difficult to pick up on body language, to understand the motivation behind people's words, and to also understand what drives people to succeed. That's why coaching skills are not only required, they're necessary. Coaching skills on the project help motivate team members to succeed, help uncover what drives them, and inspire collaboration among the team in a virtual environment, and also creates inclusiveness and recognition. So in this course, we're going to cover the specific coaching skills necessary for managing performance conversations, resolving challenges, and also helping to grow and develop the skills of your team. Now here's the beauty. The coaching skills are not only just for managers and leaders, they're for every single team member to apply on the job so that you can start to create a coaching culture in your organization. So check out the details below, the curriculum and the learning objectives, and get ready to learn how to coach your virtual team to success.